Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for professional training management, so get ready to master this essential skill. Firstly, we're going to set up our course catalog. This is where you'll input the details of all the courses you're offering. It's vital to be precise here because this information will be visible to all your learners. Remember, a well-organized catalog makes it easier for your learners to find and select their desired courses. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone can easily access and understand the training courses we offer. Once we've got our catalog set up, we're ready for the next step. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating learning paths. These are customized sequences of courses designed to help learners achieve specific goals. This helps us because it allows us to provide a structured learning experience tailored to the needs of each individual. It's like having a personal trainer for your brain, guiding you step by step towards your learning goals. Next up, we have to track the progress of our learners. UPBASE allows us to monitor the performance of each individual, providing valuable insights into their learning journey. This is essential in understanding how effective our training program is and where improvements can be made. The last step is to use the analytics feature. This is where UPBASE truly shines. Here you'll find detailed reports about learner activity, course completion rates, and more. But let me explain why this matters. With this data, you can make informed decisions about your training program, making sure it's as effective as possible and constantly improving. To wrap up, using UPBASE for professional training management involves setting up your course catalog, creating learning paths, tracking progress, and utilizing analytics. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a top-notch training program that benefits both you and your learners. And that's all for today's guide. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.